Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to Pakistan School Maskati Learning, and we are learning from our book Amazing Science Grade 4, and I'm your teacher, Mr. Tarataza. Welcome to the science class students. This is the continuation of unit number 11, Force and Machines. We already did the reading from book page number 84 to 89. Have done the question answer and question number 3. First of all, we'll review about the lesson that we already did reading, so we know about so many things. So we just take a quick review about what is force, what is machines, does force act on a distance, or discuss about simple machines and kinds of simple machines. So let's get started, students. So students, force. Force is, in simple words, it's push and pull. A force is a push or pull upon an object resulting from the object's interaction with another object. Whenever there is an interaction between two objects, there is a force upon each of the objects. Speed. Speed tells us how fast a thing is moving. For that, from one example, we just get an idea about how fast the thing is moving. A bus travels at a speed of 100 km per hour. How far will it travel in 4 hours? In this question, we have speed and time. So we use the formula from our book, page number 86, distance traveled is equals to speed multiplied by time. So in short, we can write D is equals to S multiply T. Here, speed is equals to 100 and time is equals to 4 hours. We are just putting the values in their places and then solve. So we get, yes, distance is equals to 400 kilometers. Note it down this in your notebook and do practice of book page number 86. Students, as we already learned the lesson, I hope that you know that force can act from a distance. It is not necessary they always have, or we can say that the force is always when the things or two things interaction with each other. There is a force that can be act from a distance. When you are throwing something upward, it comes to down. If coins falls, it comes to the ground. Apple from the tree fallen down, it comes to the ground. So the question comes to our mind always. Even in unit number 7, we discussed about the magnet and magnetic force, in which, and from that unit, we know that if you are just placing the magnet, some pins jumps toward you. It is due to the magnetic force. That is called magnetism. Similarly, the coin falls to the ground because the force of gravity is active on it. We cannot see the forces, but we can observe their effect. These are the forces that can act from a distance. Students, we know about what is actually the simple machines that make our work easier. From cutting the paper to cutting fruits or vegetable, open a tin or can opener, screws, screwdriver, wedge, inclined planes, these all are the examples of simple machines which you are using on daily basis. If you are discussing from our book, kinds of simple machine, they are giving you the first name is about lever. Liver is a simple machine. So many examples you can consider as a liver, like seesaw. Liver have a fulcrum. Fulcrum is a fixed point. The comes when seesaw, we are just looking at the seesaw. When it comes down, it is due to load, and when it comes to up, that is upward. Similarly for the wheelbarrow. A wheel, the turning fixed point is fulcrum. Definitely, liver is always in our body. So liver system, if you are talking about in our bodies, so that is ankle or arm. If you are just take a close look, you can see that in the elbow, the joint act as the fulcrum, and the weight of the forearm and the object held by the forearm as load. The effort is applied by the two muscles in the upper arm. That is the liver system in our bodies. There are many liver systems in our bodies too. Forces work in pairs. Forces always work in pairs. Action and reaction work in opposite directions. As you can see, how muscles contract and relaxes. In the last, Spoolie is also a simple machine which is made up of wheels. If you want to pull the water from the well, the pulley is used to just pull the bucket filled with water upside easily. So many simple machines, now you know that. Now we comes to the today's work, students. Today's work is question number 5. Write the statement as true or false. So students, it's a notebook work. First tell us how fast a thing is moving. It's a wrong statement because speed tells us how fast a thing is moving. Time is equals to speed divided by distance. It's a wrong statement, students, that time is equals to distance divided by speed. C. A manual sewing machine needs the power of your arm. Yes, a manual sewing machine needs the power of our arm. D. Force cannot act an object from a distance. It's a wrong statement. Force can act an object from a distance. Action and reaction work in same direction. It's also a wrong statement, students. So many forces that are acts on a pair, like scissors or arms. So action and reaction work in opposite direction, not in same direction. So that will be all for today, students. Have a very nice and blessed day. Don't forget to wash your hands. Salam to everyone.